Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Love with Food unboxing. This is the tasting boxing, which is the smaller box. They also have a deluxe box that comes with more snacks. And this is Thrive is the theme this month. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, so what is this? Your Mocha Mi Coco. That looks delicious. 90 calories. Plant-fueled protein powder. That looks so good. Very excited for that. And then I do see some little candies. These are Salty Road, it says. So they're little taffies. There's a couple of those. Next up we have from Stone Ridge Orchards. These are cherries. Whole dried tart cherries. Those are really good. Bag full of goodness, all natural, no preservatives, kosher, non-GMO, and gluten-free. I feel like there's a lot of snacks in here this time, like treats, sweet treats, which I love. This one is a all-natural hazelnut wafer. Yummy. I do love wafers a lot. I used to eat them a lot as a kid. Then we had Made Good Vanilla Crispy Squares. I have had things in the past from Made Good that they've sent, and they were really delicious, so I'm looking forward to this as well. And these are school safe, free from peanuts and tree nuts. Then we have some fried pork rinds. These are not my favorite thing, but I'm going to give these to my father because we've had them before and he loved them. These are rosemary and sea salt flavor. I'll pretty much eat anything but pork rinds. I can't do it. I try. I just can't do it. And the last thing, You Love Fruit, Simply Mango. 100% tree ripened organic mango. So it's just like a fruit strip, I think. Yeah. Cool. So that's what I got. And then of course they always have advertisements at the bottom. Wayfair.com, 10% off promo code. They have one for Sunbasket, which is kind of like HelloFresh. They have one for bouillon cubes. Save $1 off, and there's a recipe on the back. Very cool. If you guys would like to try Love with Food, it's an awesome company. I'll leave a playlist below in case you want to see more videos from them. But I do have a promo code, again, in the description box below. So I will leave that for you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.